Hi students, again this is teacher Anna and I will teach you how to make a DIY staple-free booklet. Okay, so you may use it for your handbook, for your anti-bullying handbook, or for your book review. So here are the different things that you are going to use. Then first, scissor, pen, a ruler, a double-sided tape, or you may use glue, but I prefer double-sided tape, and then the papers. So for your cover, any colored paper or construction paper, and for the pages inside, you may use bond paper or other papers that's smaller than this one. Okay, so because when you're going to put it inside, there should be like a small space that will be left when you stick it together, just like this. There's an edge like this. Okay, so let's start now doing our staple-free booklet. So first step that you're going to do is you get your bond paper for your pages and fold it into two. So it's better if you're going to fold it one by one or individually, like this. This and another one. So I just prepared 3 bond papers. So the size of this one is A4 because it fits with my cover. After you're done with this one, what you're going to do is you get your ruler, you measure 2 inches here in this part of the bond paper. So just like this, measure it like this, and then you're going to mark the 2 inches, this one, and another side, and you're just going to repeat the process for all of the pages. So this is how it looks like. So 2 inches, 2 inches on the outer part. Okay. So next step is what you're going to do. You're going to get 2, or you divide it by 2, but it's 3, so it's odd number, so you cannot divide it by 2, so just leave 1 page. And then for the 2 pages, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it again lengthwise, just like this. Make sure the sides are equal before you fold it like that. And here is the crucial part wherein you need to cut it from here up to the dot, the measurement that we did earlier. So we're going to cut it just like this. Make sure it's in the middle there. See, it's cut. So this is how it looks like when you open it. So there's an opening here, and repeat it for the other one. So that's how it looks like. There's a hole, and you set aside this first, the two of this one, set it like that. And this one, for the last page, what you're going to do is you cut the outer part. If the other group, you cut it in the middle, now you cut it in the outer part. So let's cut this one. Just make sure it's up until the dot. Yeah. There. So it's cut like this. So this is how it looks like. So make sure that if you're going to do this booklet or staple-less booklet, make sure you are decided how many pages that you're going to put inside. Okay, so what you're going to do is you open this one, you fold this one lengthwise again, and you open this. When you open it, insert this inside the hole. Okay, let's insert it there. But make sure that you're not going to torn the pages, so you need to do it carefully. So now that it is inside, what you're going to do is you get this part and you push it until it reaches the side parts here. So meaning you cannot push it anymore. Like that. And you're going to open the other side. Just make sure you're going to make it carefully. So push it here. Going to make it careful. It's better if you're going to ask some help from your parents so that you can do this. And there you go. We have the staple-less booklet. And of course, if it's a booklet, there should be a cover. It's up to you what you're going to use for the pages or for the cover, but make sure that the pages is smaller than the cover. So just like this one, it's smaller. So you can see here, it's smaller than my pages. So what you're going to do here is that you are going to fold it again, just like this. And after you fold it, like that. After you fold it like that, make sure it's flat enough. You put it inside here, and make sure that the sides are equal here. Okay, these parts are equal, both sides. So I prefer using double-sided tape because it's not messy and it will not ruin the color of your pages. So just put some double-sided tapes in every corner. This one, so it will fit properly. So this is how it looks like. And just continue it. So this is how it looks like. There. So remove this. So what you're going to do is you place it in the middle here. Again, make sure that the edge is just the same with the other. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold this one. And yep, that's it. Fold it and press it. So of course, if the other side is done already, you're going to also put some double-sided tape for the other side. And you fold this one again. Just make sure it is relaxed. The papers are relaxed. Okay, so now you have a staple-less booklet. So this is how it looks like in the inside. You see, you don't need stapler or glue to attach the pages. Okay, so I hope this video helped you to make your booklet for your book review and also for your anti-bullying handbook. So this will serve as your anti-bullying handbook or your book review handbook. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening.